Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make lactation brownies. These delightful treats are specifically formulated to help nursing parents support their milk supply. We'll explore the key ingredients, known as galactagogues, such as rolled oats, ground flaxseed, and brewer's yeast, which are scientifically recognized for their milk-boosting properties. Get ready to bake a batch of delicious and beneficial brownies. Let's gather our essential ingredients. For the lactation-boosting power, you'll need 1 cup of old-fashioned rolled oats, 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed meal, and 3 tablespoons of nutritional brewer's yeast. Ensure your brewer's yeast is food-grade and not active yeast. Beyond these, you'll use typical brownie ingredients like 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of cocoa powder, and 1 cup of sugar. Now for the baking. Begin by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In one bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients: flour, cocoa powder, sugar, oats, flaxseed, and brewer's yeast. In another, combine melted butter, eggs, and vanilla extract. Slowly incorporate the wet mixture into the dry, mixing until just combined. Pour the batter into an 8 by 8 inch pan and bake for 25 to 30 minutes. To get the best results, let your brownies cool completely on a wire rack before cutting them into 16 squares. This ensures clean, neat slices. For optimal freshness, store your lactation brownies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 4 days. If you want to enjoy them longer, they freeze beautifully for up to 3 months. Feel free to customize with a half cup of chocolate chips or chopped walnuts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.